Yeah. What's going on, guys? We're snowmobiling out by the house. As you see, we're out doing rigging trail. The snowmobilers are gonna probably hate us, but I don't care. So we're gonna go do some tooling around. We got me, we got Steven, we got Alex. So we're gonna try to get some good video of everybody doing some stuff, and hopefully I'm not the only one doing stuff, because usually that's kind of how it goes, you know. But we'll check back in when we find a cool spot, you know, to take a video. She's close. Yeah. I'm thinking if we have him just pull your ass end down. Shit. Yeah, but I have the feeling if I pull you off that tow hook right there, the ass end's gonna slide this way, and I don't want. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If Alex just hooks, you don't have anywhere to fucking hook in the back. The axle, yep, that's right. We could do that. I was thinking if you just hooked to him like sideways, you know, and just pulled it this, like, well, pulled the back, just pulled the back down, so then it'll slide because it's snow. Yeah, it's greasy.
Well, and I don't know my turn radius. It's fucking, luckily, it's actually the inside of my ride.
I don't have a life insurance policy.
Hey, well, on the bright side, if you do roll, at least it's on video. That's Alex right there, and Steven. About to get tight. That CV broke in there. The flange broke on the that goes into the IFS case, the front diff. That's wild. Try this hill too.
I'm gonna see if I can get up to where we cross over.
Okay. she glowing? Oh yeah, look at that header. Just a glowing red. Oh yeah, come look through this gap.
Holy fuck balls. She's fucking rad, dude.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she's glowing.
He was definitely banging limiter.
Looks like he was gonna clip the knee. Woo!
Jeep things.
You got a hose?
Not even a 210 yet.
I'm barely at 220.
Barely. Thing does pretty good. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. You can probably hear Steven sleeping. We did snow wheeling with my buddies, Alex, John, Steven, Tesla, Addison, and Genesee came. Had a blast. Definitely gonna have to get out and do some more snow wheeling for sure. We still got months of this, so until the snow leaves, I can't really ride the dirt bike as much as I really, really want to. But I do have something coming for that, so make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.